If you want to clean up your Evernote notebooks and remove tags you no longer need, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Deleting tags in Evernote is quick, simple, and a great way to keep your notes organized, especially if your tag list has gotten a little messy over time. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your computer or in your browser. You can do this from the desktop app or the web version, and the steps are very similar either way. Once Evernote is open, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find your main navigation tools, including notes, notebooks, and tags. Click on tags to open your full tag list. This will show you every tag currently saved in your Evernote account so you can find the one you want to remove. Now scroll through the list and locate the tag you want to delete. If you have a lot of tags, take your time and make sure you choose the right one, because once it's deleted, you may need to recreate it later if you still want to use it. After you find the tag, move your mouse over it. When you hover, you should see additional options appear next to the tag name. Look for the three dots icon, which is usually the More Options menu. Click those three dots to open the Tag Actions menu. From the menu that appears, select Delete Tag. Evernote may ask you to confirm your choice, so if a confirmation box appears, go ahead and click Confirm to finish the process, and that's it. The tag is now removed from your Evernote tag list. If that tag was attached to any notes, those notes will no longer show that tag, which can help you tidy up your workspace and keep only the labels you actually use. If you're managing a large Evernote account, this is a really useful habit to keep your organization system clean and easy to navigate. Now that you know how to delete tags in Evernote, you can go through your list and remove any old, duplicate, or unnecessary tags in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Evernote tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.